First, we're going to do the blue one. Okay, well now everything's even. Now it's going to fill up like this area with stress balls. I feel like this bin is already pretty organized, so let me just give a quick tour. Little puzzle ball there, giant magnet beads, the black ones. The giant means I have some in here too, you know. And I have snake fidget toys. There's a fidget pad. I have some zipper bracelets, like a monkey noodle bracelet, and this fidget. I don't know what this fidget is supposed to be. Here I just have some of my miniature fidgets. We're not even gonna try. So here's the bin. I have got this basket. Now let's start putting all my dimples in. This one was broken. Let's put all my monkey noodles in here. I really don't want them to get dirty, so I'm gonna put in this plastic thing. Homemade monkey noodle. Play-Doh that I got for my birthday. This thing. And then this has some cloud slime, which I'm actually gonna show you guys because my friend traded me this, my other friend. She hasn't come in any of my videos. So cool. Okay, we're gonna move on though. Let's keep this. Time for this lane. Should I put my mini puppets in here? I mean, I don't have any other space. Yeah, sure, let's just dump all the mini ones in there too. Hey guys, please comment down below if you guys want a full fidget collection tour. Bye guys!